In the same reply po, the Vice President asked that the articles of impeachment be dismissed for lack of evidence. Does the rules of the Senate Impeachment Court provide that, the dismissal?
The Constitution itself is very clear that once the House of Representatives has transmitted the articles of impeachment to the Senate, ang tungkulin po ng Senado bilang impeachment court ay litisin agad-agad ang kaso. Pag sinabi po ng Constitution na itatrial ang case, that means that they will hear the evidence. So as far as we are concerned, 2 points I'd like to raise. Number one, there's no room, in my opinion, in the Constitution for that kind of mechanism. And number two, hindi naman po appeals court ang Senado bilang impeachment court sa ginawa ng House of Representatives nung nasa amin pa ang kaso. Thank you.
Additional lang to sa punto na yan. Maski mismo sa Senate Rules of Procedure and Impeachment Trials ay wala yung tungkol dyan na i-dispose na muna or kailangan muna ng pagtalakay dun sa mga defenses at yung dismissal. Kasi sabi na nga ni Kong Chel ay klaro po ang nasa saligang batas natin. The mandate of the Senate is to try and decide impeachment cases. Thank you.
Baka lang po yung private prosecs would want to comment.
Bilang karagdagan lang po, meron naman pong precedents na doon sa mga previous impeachment cases. Doon po sa kaso ni President Erap at saka ni former Chief Justice Corona, that the defense attempted to raise issues to have the case dismissed at yun po ay binasura ng impeachment court. So maliwanag po yung precedent in that regard.
And I guess it's also premature for them to be raising lack of evidence without first allowing the prosecution to present its evidence.
All right.